Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Suzuki GSX-S1000. This is the upright sport bike, street fighter style, ABS brakes, traction control, only 2,727 miles, and this bike is in perfect shape. We just put brand new tires on it. It's got frame sliders, tail tidy. It's got a custom saddle, rear seat cowl, beautiful condition. Price to sell, just $84.99. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. That thing sounds gorgeous. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.